You would make a superb coat! My whole slime nature is against it!
Is it so hard to be Cruella?
It is! Oh, Susan, can I choose another look for the audition?
But it also includes a costume design contest, and Cruella has superior outfits. Check this out!
Okay, then I'll cosplay her look before she started hunting for cute Dalmatians.
Nice! Let's go and create her total look!
Woohoo!
Hi, guys! Oh, wait, I should practice my evil laugh.
Holy cannoli, Susan! You're worse at that than I am! Even Barbie here is shocked! Just look at her!
Yep, she's not looking well, but she's 100% prepared for the makeover. And cut! Don't worry, Barbie, you'll look perfect. Be careful with the scissors, guys.
I'd say she'd be evil perfect! Susan, I still think my look isn't good enough.
Sorry, I can't imagine you as a villain. Guys, do you agree? Give us a thumbs up then.
Yeah, I know, I'm too cute. Anyway, help me! You definitely know more about Cruella!
Right now I'm pulling Barbie's hair out, Sammy. Maybe you'll make your own research?
Oh, come on! Susan, I give my heart to you!
I'm too busy! Now it's the makeup time! We'll remove the old one to recreate Cruella's look.
All right! I'll do my best research and make you jealous of my knowledge!
I'm sure he'll be back with awesome results, guys! Don't miss Sammy too much! In the meantime, let's draw our Barbie a new face! You just need colored pencils for it.
I'm Sandy DeVille. So, I made a journey to the past!
Really? How far did you go?
My first stop was in 1956. Woo! What a long ride!
Oh, this was Cruella's first appearance! And how was she back then?
Absolutely terrifying! Even on paper! I didn't know that there was a book first, though!
But her iconic look came to life 5 years later in the Disney animation film. And speaking about her looks, Sammy, I need to take some hair from your wig. Sammy?
No, I have to say goodbye to it first!
Then I'm gonna divide Cruella's hair into 2 parts. Like this.
Susan, check this out! I grew up here so you don't have to cut my wig!
Did it hurt?
Not for a single moment!
Your braids are just at another slimy level, as Cruella's hair is right now.
No, she still looks like a Stella! Let's find her Cruella's charm!
Right, maybe it'll help you feel her vibe for the audition. And we'll keep going, guys.
Uh-oh! Hide your animals! Cruella will be furious!
Here comes another lock. We'll attach it like this, very carefully. What about Sam the stylist? We need him right now.
Okay, I'm here. Here, take this for curling.
Thanks, Sammy.
Let me see what you got here. Looks great!
We'll use this stitching awl to make the curly locks.
Take a thin strand. Yep, that's right. Now wait for a few seconds.
And leave it. Wow, what a curl!
You're so slow, Susan! Hurry up!
We are done with the white locks, and now we'll get to the black ones. Hop! Remember to wait a little bit. This should be enough. Perfect!
Cut her bangs, Sue!
I'm already on it! Don't you see?
Shiver me chutters! I'm speaking like Cruella!
Remember that feeling? What was it like?
Like I wanted more fur and diamonds. So will I play her well?
I think you're close. And our Estella Cruella is ready for the next stage.
Next, we'll recreate an iconic outfit from the live-action movie! Susan, I don't think I look good in red.
Trust me, the dress will be worth it. Let's use a paper template and cut out the pieces.
Careful! Oh, Sue, cut it nicely, please! Come on!
And I thought you were worried about my poor fingers. Guys, be careful with the scissors.
Oh, I can't look at this, Sue! Tell me when you're done! Oh!
Just check this out. Someone's going to the ball tonight. Let's use some magic to sew it along the lines. And cut! It looks awesome!
Holy cannoli! It looks like a weird puzzle, but something's missing.
Here it is. Let's join all the pieces together. We'll place them on the right sides and… whoosh! Awesome! Someday I'll open my own fashion house.
Uh-oh, Cruella won't like this. Hey!
That's Sammy.
It's too small. I better make my own outfit.
If you insist. And I'm gonna make a skirt. It's gonna be a mermaid tail style.
Wow! I like mermaids. Can I make a short video? I'll go check out the results.
The skirt should have beautiful draping on the front. Let's try to recreate it using these pins. But be very careful here, or better ask an adult to help you out.
Then she came to the ball, saw the Baroness, and conquered the place. Oopsie, wrong fashion.
Guys, I've already sewn the front and the back parts of our skirt. Don't forget that we should make stitches from the inner side only. So, this is the skirt and the top. What do you think?
No, Susan. Cruella won't wear such a plain dress.
Any additional thoughts, Mr. Designer the Great?
Well, not really.
Got it. Then today I'll become the master of sewing. Guys, join my sewing club.
Or welcome to my designers club. Sue, I will call you out for the battle.
Oh no! Help me, guys! Your thumbs up will save my reputation.
Fine. Guys, wait for the final version of the dress. Stay tuned. Holy cannoli! That dress is on fire!
Huh? What are you talking about?
I mean, it looks really awesome. I think the top is too wide. Cruella won't be pleased, but I have a solution. Where is that thing? I saw it somewhere, I'm pretty sure. Here, take this, Sue.
Wow, Sammy! A Velcro will fix the problem. We'll just split it into 2 parts and sew again.
Sue, she wants to try on that dress. She kinda doesn't believe in your skills.
Then Cruella should know a bit of patience. The needle is very sharp, so we should work slowly and carefully.
Yeah, Cruella might be up to something. Watch out, Sue!
I don't think so. Anyway, she's not Maleficent.
Susan, all villains know each other. It's a scientific fact.
Guys, don't worry. Science hasn't proved that yet. Cruella's mood is boosting up. She looks gorgeous in this dress.
Holy cannoli! It's not enough! The dress must be on fire like in the movie! Plus, we need some magic! Huh? That's not it. Much better! We need something special here! Now we're talking!
A few sparkles might also come in handy.
It's good that I've prepared sunglasses. Bright lights mess up my slimy eyesight.
Different kind of sparkle, Sammy.
I got it!
We'll just add some gemstones. Get ready to shine! Woohoo!
Holy cannoli! Uh-oh. They look like real diamonds!
Ta-da! Who is the best decorator in the world now, huh?
That's a score for you, Susan, but check these out!
Oh, we'll need this.
Edgy details for the skirt!
There we go. Fabulous!
Sue, is there anything else I can help with?
Sure, you can take the red fabric and make gloves.
I'm on it!
And I will deal with the masquerade mask. We'll need some feathers, a bit of fabric, and some rhinestones. Let's see what we have here. Guys, check this out!
Did someone say masquerade? I made these gloves and added decor!
Wow, Sammy!
See you!
Final preparations. I'm so excited, but something is missing. Sammy?
Shush, guys! I don't want to give up on this fur coat! Ugh.
Cruella is ready for the ball. Let's take a look at her before she departs. The lady is waiting for you!
Susan, I got an idea. I'll be a kind Cruella. Cool, huh?
You'll become the star of the night.
Don't worry, Pongo. You and your 101 puppies are safe.
I wouldn't be so sure about this beauty, though.
Guys, I'll keep my eye on Cruella.
Do you like the doll's transformation, guys? Then give us a thumbs up for the tailor here.
And the designer and the model, too. And everyone here. Bye-bye.
See ya! Bye-bye!